beauties, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am so excited to give you two more random sneak peeks that Joe just put up. And this is the old way of doing things. This is when it was so much fun. I love when Joe does this. It's really fun to try to figure out these products, and I think I have them figured out, but I will need your help to verify them. But let me show you the clip first.
Alright, here's a little bit of my office routine now in the time of Corona AC. Can work out a little bit. That's it. I'll actually show you in the next few slides what the office look like with all the packages that are making without people unboxing them. So take a look. This is what I do. Working while lifting some dumbbells because we gotta be productive during the process. So, like I said, a few of us are here every day, managing what comes in and decide what to ship to who. It's a different process, but we are working very efficient from home. Though the office, as you see, empty, I think we're just as productive and efficient, and it got us to be better. I think operational wise, we learned a lot. Look at this, the other side of the floor. Yeah. Right now I'm here with Leo, and before that, Roxy was, not Roxy, I think Jesse was here. So small group of people coming in, doing a couple essential things, and then going back home, working from home. Work continue 24/7 for us. I mean, a lot of people globally, so.
Okay, let me talk about the first one, which would be on the left side. It's the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads, and these sell for $59. Wow. And you get a 60 count of the little pads, and these are dual action resurfacing pads powered by Elemis's patented tri-enzyme technology. It acts as a very effective yet gentle skin perfecting exfoliator. It's an innovative and refirming treatment that enhances the dynamic resurfacing routine, replacing the need for harsh exfoliators, gently encourages the skin surface cell renewal cycle, and prepares skin for optimum results for the rest of the range. It rejuvenates, revitalizes, and smooths while boasting radiance for a luminous complexion. And they have several key ingredients. They have probiotics, lactic acid, and it's a tried product. They've tried it in a lab. It's free of parabens, artificial color, SLSs, SLESs, DEA, mineral oil. And you use these actually twice a day, morning and evening, after cleansing. So it's kind of like a resurfacing toner type pad. I would love to try these. I'm looking on Ulta. It doesn't really say the skin type on Ulta like it does on Sephora's site, but it does say that it gets a 4.6 out of 5 stars with 141 reviews. That is pretty good. The pros, it leaves your skin will feel clean, it's gentle, it improves skin's texture. The cons, dries out the skin. Wow. Okay, 10 people said that out of the 180 somewhat people. It doesn't remove makeup. I would not use this to remove makeup. I would use this as a second step after cleansing anyways. Some didn't like the smell. So, out of all the people that used it, 21 of them were sensitive skin people. So, I would try this if I had sensitive skin as a patch test first. I would not try it all over my face. Okay, let's move on to the second one. The second sneak peek is from the brand Glam Glow. It's the Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. Now, this is a moisturizing mask packed with super berries and probiotics to help repair skin's moisture barrier. It's for all skin types, normal, dry, and combination. It will help your skin with dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and fine lines and wrinkles. It has a super berry blend of antioxidants. It has lactobacillus. It's a fermented probiotic that helps balance and support a healthy skin. It's got jojoba oil, hyaluronic acid, shea butter, great for replenishing hydration, and the way it helps with fine lines and wrinkles, it visibly plumps the skin while protecting the skin's moisture barrier. It's free from SLSs, parabens, formaldehyde, sulfates, SLSs, formaldehyde releasing agents, phthalates, mineral oil, and troclosan. This product is also gluten-free. And did I say it sells for $49 for 2.5 ounces? And the reviews, it gets a 4.5 out of 5 stars with 84 reviews. And out of the 84, we only have 2 that gave it a 1 star. Let's see why. One person said it's just okay. She didn't feel any major moisturizing effect. And another one gave it 2 stars. She didn't care for the dye, the violet 2 dye in it. Does it add anything to the performance of this mask? No, it probably makes it pretty. Now, lots of people gave it 5 stars. Yummy, gentle, and effective. Out of all those people, let's see how many. It got 5 stars from 60 people. So I think it must be a good mask. Perfection versus packaging. Another wonderful mask from Glam Glow. My issue is the packaging is cheap. Well, okay.